In reply, Lund Standing Council, appearing for the state respondents, has submitted that the creation of post is within the sole domain of the state government and it is purely executive function of the state government which can be exercised keeping in view the necessity and requirement of the post with a view to ensure proper and smooth administration and functioning of the state government. It has been urged that the creation of post of deputy director does not come in the way of functioning of incumbent of the post of deputy director, engineering or monitoring cell occupied by the petitioner as the respondent number 1 had been promoted on the newly created post of the deputy director, which does not have any concern with the work duties of the post of deputy director, engineering cell. He has urged that this court has not restrained the answering respondent from creation of any such post. He has further urged that since there was only one engineer available in the feeding cadre for promotion to the post of deputy director, that is the fourth respondent, therefore he was considered and promoted. He has further urged that keeping in view the serious financial irregularity committed by the petitioner, a disciplinary proceeding had been initiated against the petitioner and he was placed under suspension. However, this court had interfered with the order of suspension and stayed it. In compliance of the order passed by this court, he has been reinstated in service. The disciplinary proceeding is still pending against him. It has further been submitted that the post of medical officer was abolished and in its place a new post of deputy director was created. However, since to the said post only the person of engineering service could be promoted, it was the fourth respondent who was eligible for promotion and has been promoted, in which no illegality has been done. Mr. Misra, Lund Council for the petitioner controverting the submissions of Lund Standing Council has submitted that the post of deputy director is a higher post of medical officer and has submitted that on abolition of the post of medical officer, the post of same status could be created in another feeding cadre, but the post of deputy director, which is a post of higher pay scale, could not be created as it is a post of promotion also unless the rules are amended. Since Rule 5 provides only 3 feeding cadres as a source of requirement to the post of deputy director in proportionate manner, the proportion of source neither could be increased or decreased without amending the rules, and if there was necessity to increase the post of engineers, the state government could increase it by abolishing the post of medical officer, but for the purpose of promotion to the higher post, no engineer could be considered beyond the ratio provided under the rules. He, with full belief, has submitted that till date rules 4 and 5 of the rules 2004 have not been amended. Insofar as the initiation of a departmental proceeding against the petitioner is concerned, he submitted that it was initiated on a complaint allegedly made by one former member of parliament, Srimati Susila Saroj, who, after coming to know about the said fake complaint, wrote a letter to the principal secretary on 29 January 2016 and explained that she had never made any such complaint. She had also requested to get investigated the matter and further to take strict and stringent action against the person who is found guilty to make such a fake complaint. The fourth respondent had come forward to file counter affidavit and has made his best effort to justify his promotion to the post of deputy director, standing therein that since the post of medical officer cadre was abolished and it was restructured by creating a post of deputy director, there were two posts of deputy director from engineering services for the reason that after abolition of medical officer cadre, there was no occasion to keep alive the post of deputy director from medical services.